Typical applications for ambient photonics PV cells are smart home applications, smart retail applications, and industrial applications. The principal advantage ambient photonics technology can offer in these applications is eliminating the battery replacement or recharging cycle, thereby solving challenges related to user experience, reliability, and cost. Here at Ambient Photonics, we don't expect our customers to be experts in PV cell technology, energy harvesting solutions, and storage devices. What we strive to do is provide a full stack solution that's vetted for your application. That ranges from selecting the right size of PV cell, the appropriate energy harvesting solution, and the ideal energy storage solution for your application.